Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Hadin ke jingja sya thombor ke kong Agnes Kharchieng bat ke Amita Sangma Harilom Jantia. Lamiru ke jingkeli bahato ke jingti bat ke jingshalan bea nyu dowyong. Kadang beteng mo hadu kini kisngi hakani ke jela. Kumta ban khamsha halor kani ke Batisi TV hakani ke kenti kalayo ban tuat jingmot ru nau MP ke seng Kongres na puak Shillong Parliamentary Seat ubak Vincent H. Pala. Ubalapan pau yaki eki kendon joko Supreme Court bat ke National Green Tribunal.
The government will be the best to say that as to just say illegal is happening. As I don't think it's fair. No, the court allowed them to transport. The NGT allowed them to transport. The Supreme Court allowed them to transport. So whatever, sometimes people they didn't understand. They were not aware of the court order. So I think to say that it's illegal, I don't think, because the government is taking royalty out of it.
Well,
the government keep on issuing challan. That I don't know. I can't. When I don't know, I should not give a comments when I don't know. Kilap honestly, nga pun badan sudalit then I don't know much kata kaba.
Halor ke jingkeli bahar ke jela jungi ke jingti bat chalan be anyu doyong kadang beteng neem. Layo ro banyakran bat menteri sarkar jela ubakmi yakatnat ki kam korbari ke jela u James PK Sangma.
I think that the illegal mining issue has come up before and it has come up again now. And we would like to assure you that we are very serious about getting to the root of the matter, and we are in discussions, and the Chief Minister is very keen that we should get to the root of the matter. And let me assure you that we will do everything within our power to get to find out everything there is to it. I think what you're referring to is Mr. Nalin Kohli speaking about lifting the ban on coal mining. Yes. So that is something that is completely, different from the questions you're asking me. So Mr. Nalin Kohli said that, that if the BJP is voted to power, let me, re-quote what he said. He said that if the BJP is voted to power, they will ensure that the ban on coal mining is lifted within 6 months. Unquote. So, the ban on lifting of the ban on coal mining was not on the agenda of all. So, when the coalition government comes together, something called, a common minimum program that is, and we are very serious about lifting the ban on coal mining, and we are making every endeavor to work towards lifting that. AG is appearing on behalf of the government in the Supreme Court, and yes, we are trying our level best.